Hi, my name's Adam Smith. Welcome to Colcat Packaging. We supply cosmetics packaging all over the world, and we recently bought an Object 30 Pro. When a customer arrives through the door at Colcat, they can either request some standard packaging or they can come to us and they'll want something new, something innovative. It's absolutely fantastic for us if we do have a blank sheet to work off. By having a blank sheet to work off, we can then create these designs for a customer, agree them in principle on some 2D designs. Once that's been done, then we take it to the next step where we go to 3D design. By creating the designs in 3D, we can also create photorealistic renderings for the customer. At this stage normally, before we have the 3D printer, we'd then have to move to pilot tooling. By creating a pilot tool, there is an element of risk if you actually do finally put the physical product in the customer's hand and they don't like it. To then make those changes, it will be a several-week process to change the designs, agree them again. But not only that, then also we've got to do the modifications to the tooling. By having the 3D printer, what we're able to do is to print the model, put an actual product in the customer's hand, see what they think about it. If they want some changes, great. We can turn that around in a matter of days now, as opposed to a matter of weeks. I chose an Object 30 Pro simply because it was not only the speed that the Object 30 can produce the models, but also the fact that it can produce models in clear material. By being able to produce the models in clear material, it's a massive advantage for us, especially if we're supplying perfumery, also cosmetics, plastics, where it's required to be clear. By being able to put that in the customer's hand so they can actually see it exactly how it's supposed to look and how it will be produced from the factory, it's a massive advantage. There's no extra visualisation that the customer's got to do.
Our inquiries have changed quite dramatically over the years. We get a lot more inquiries now. We've grown substantially as a company.
I mean, one of the huge advantages of having the Object 30 Pro is that we've got 7 materials to choose from.
Now we are able to put a finished product in front of them, or a model of the finished product in front of them straight away.
We can always print a customer a clear material model if they like. Also we can print them in the blue if we're trying to show a bit more definition of some embossing or a pattern. The other choices, I mean, we've also got the high temperature material, the Durus, where we could actually show them and give them the feel of polypropylene. It gives us a massive advantage, seeing as we're not actually tied to one single material. The accuracy and the precision of the model was so good. It took us several attempts to actually get the glass tooling correct. We can actually now, print some models and then send them to the customer, ask them what they think, get some feedback, develop the shapes, develop the feel, and we can actually end up with a full new range that we can be offering to new customers.
We are always looking for ways to give us an edge, and we've been very successful, and the investment in technology like 3D printing is one way that we have stayed ahead of our competitors.